Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to change the display name on your Zoom application whenever you want to start the meeting. So first thing we have to do is just go open the Zoom application, and after that you just need to take a look on this bottom sections right here. There will be like 5 sections, so you just need to go click these 3 small dots in the below part on the right corner, and after that you just need to go click the profile that you have here, and in the second side there will be like a display name, so you just need to go click it. And now you just need to enter the display name that you want to have on this display name part. If you want to change it, you just need to delete the old one and entering the new one. So let's say the company or the organization need to make the participant entering the number of their participants. So let's say my number of participant is 34 and gives a dash, and now following with my name. And after we're done, you just need to go click save, and now your display name is already changed. So that is the way how to change the display name on a Zoom application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.